morning, everyone. So, should we take a quick revision? We're in the partnership. Admission of the partner. In that, we are discussing the valuation of the goodwill. The valuation of the goodwill. So, we understood yesterday what is the meaning of goodwill, what are the features of goodwill, right? What are the circumstances under which the valuation of goodwill will take place, and what are the methods? What are the methods of valuation of the goodwill? So here, methods of valuation of goodwill. So as we understood yesterday, the goodwill will be calculated at the time of admission of the partner, at the time of change in the profit sharing ratio, at the time of retirement of the partner, or at the time of death of the partner. And at the time of amalgamation of the firms, means one partnership firm is merging with another partnership firm. In that case, you need to evaluate the goodwill. And third case is when the partnership firm is converted into a company. So these are the circumstances where we have to calculate the goodwill. So generally, basically, how many methods are there in the calculation of the goodwill? So there are three methods is reported the basic classes. We have other methods also that which we will learn in the CA Inter. Now in the CA Foundation, we have 5 methods. From that today we are discussing 3 methods. So first one is a average profit method. By using the average profit method, we can evaluate the goodwill. Second thing is super profit method. Third one is capitalization method. Goodwill, the capitalization of profit methods. What is the method name? Capitalization of profit method. Capitalization of the profit method. So what is the first method? Average profit. Second method is super profit. Third method is capitalization method. So what is average profit, sir? So here what we are calculating? We are calculating a average profit for what? Here we are calculating the average profit for the valuation of the goodwill. We are calculating the super profit to value the goodwill. Here we are calculating the capitalization of profit for valuation of the goodwill. So here in the average profit method, what is the formula? First you need to calculate the average profit. So average profit is equals to total profit of the given number of years. What is the formula? Total profits of given number of years divided by number of years. So if you want to find out an average of profit, so how you will find out? For example, he given the profit for 2000, 2001, 2002. So the profit is 10,000. The profit is 10,000. The profit is 10,000. So he given you this information and he asked you to find out the average profit. So what is the formula for the average profit? Here we are discussing The formula is, what he is saying here, total profits of given number of years. Total profit of given number of years. So here, what is the profit? Total profit here, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So total profit is 30,000. So you need to total the profit and now the number of years. So he should be divided. He's asking to divide you by the number of years. So how many years are there? 1, 2, and 3. So it should be divided by number of years 3. So what is the answer? 10,000. So what is the average profit here? 10,000. The average profit is 10,000. So here now we understood how to calculate the average profit. The question mark. So what is the question mark here? 2,000 he given profit. Okay, 2001 he given 5,000 loss in the brackets. Again 2002 there is a profit of 10,000. So what we will do with this loss? So what he is saying, total of profits of given number of years, only we will add the profits, or we will consider loss also in the valuation of the goodwill. That's what we have to discuss. When we are solving the problems, this type of things will come. So basically, now we are discussing the formula, and these type of treatments we will discuss when we are solving the problems. So there are a lot of treatments are there. So when you are not considering the loss, so number of years you will take 2 or 3. If you are taking the loss, you will take 3. So what are the circumstances? What are the situations will come in that situation? How we will find out the average profits, that we will discuss when we are solving the problems. Now, our target is not to find out the average profit. Our target is to value the goodwill. What is the value of the goodwill? So average profit is equals to, what is the formula is saying? Average profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase. So no worries about number of years of purchase. This number of years of purchase he will give you in the exam. Okay. So this number of years of purchase he will give you in the question. So what we need to find out? We need to find out the average profit. So what is the formula for average profit? Average profit is equals to total number of profits given, total profits of given number of years divided by number of years. Clear? The formula is clear. Okay. So now let's try to calculate the goodwill by using the average profit method. Average profit method. So here the page number, the problem I am discussing from the page number 180. Page number 180. First problem, that is called as an average profit method. So what we are learning? We are learning calculation. We are learning calculation of goodwill by using average profit method. Average profit method. So basically, first we will understand what are the requirements to find out the goodwill as per the average profit method. So what is the formula for calculating the goodwill in average profit method? That is average profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase. So here we are clear in this number of years of purchase. We don't want to worry. It should be given in the question. So now we have to think about the average profit. So here, what is the formula to calculate the average profit? Means average profit is equals to, what he is saying, total profits given for number of years. for given number of years divided by number of years. Please write down the formula. Now we'll go through a small question to understand the calculation part of the average profit and the goodwill in the average profit method. So the question is here, page number 180. I am discussing now illustration 9. Illustration number 9 I am discussing. So what is saying in the question? The net profit of a firm. What is saying? The net profit of a firm for last 4 years was. So he is giving profits for net profits. What is the net profit? You must know. There are gross profit and net profit. So don't touch the gross profit. Okay. Which profit you will use to valuation of the goodwill? You will use net profit for the valuation of the goodwill. You have to use net profit. Net profit means the profit which is appear in the profit and loss account, not in the trading account. Hope we have the 100% clarity on this because we completed the financial statements for the sole proprietorship. So he is given number of profits of a firm. Number of profits of a firm for last 4 years. He is saying, he is given in the question number of net profit of firm for the last 4 years. So let's see what are the profits given. Given the profit 40,000. He given the profit of 38,000. He given the profit of 50,000, and he given the profit of 52,000 respectively. So he given 4 years profit in the question. So what we need? Total profits given for the year. Total of these 4 plus we need number of years. And what we need? We need number of years of purchase. So he is given number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase of average profit. Number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase of average profit. Number of years of purchase of average profit is 2 years. So hope we got the full information what we need. So here we are going to calculate the average profit. So what is the average profit requirement? You need to calculate the total profit first. So what is the total profit here? The total profit is, okay, so now I am calculating the average profit is equals to total profit, that is 40,000 plus 38,000 plus 50,000 plus 52,000 divided by 4. Divided by 4. Don't get confused between these 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. There are 2 years given in the question. One is the number of years of profit. Second one is number of years of purchase of average profit. So don't get confused. Okay, number of years of profit will be applied on the average profit to get the goodwill. And number of years is used to find out the average profit. So here 40,000 plus 38,000 plus 50,000 plus 52,000 is equals to how much? 1,80,000. 1,80,000 divided by 4. So is equal to how much? The average profit is 45,000. So what is the goodwill here? Now we got the average profit, right? What is the average profit here? 45,000. So what is the number of years of purchase given in the question? He given the number of years of purchase is 2. So number of years of purchase is 2 is equals to the goodwill is calculated 90,000. Okay. Clear? You want me to repeat again? Abdullah?
No, sir.
Clear, right? Please write down.
It's clear.
Please write down, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me. So these are the very, very important areas when you are acting as a consultant. These are the very sensitive areas related to the partners. Disputes between the partners are very sensitive. It should be solved only by applying the subject. Don't take a, when you are dealing a case of a partnership, you should be stick with your subject. You need to follow the partnership law, or you need to follow the partnership agreement. If there is no agreement, then apply the law as per the Partnership Act 1932. Done? लिख लिया पूरा अब्दुल्ला?
Yes, sir. लिखिए.
Ejaz, this is the CA foundation class, okay, and the computerized accounting classes will be start from tomorrow. Maybe the timetable is not yet issued, but because Dharmendra will issue a calendar for full month, that's why he is working on that. Maybe he will issue a PRD today or tomorrow, but you can continue the class today to just to have a boost and have a practice. Yes, Mr. Fasi, assalamu alaikum. Okay, what is the next method?
Super profit method.
Very good. The second method is called as a super profit method. Okay, so second method is called as a super profit method. Super profit method. So what is the formula for the super profit method? Why we are calculating super profit method? Abdullah, to calculate the goodwill, right? So our full focus is on the goodwill. So what is the formula of goodwill under the super profit method is equals to, that means the goodwill is equals to super profit. Super profit multiplied by number of years of purchase of super profit. Very important sentence. In the previous method is average profit. So we taken number of years of purchase of average profit. Now here we are taking number of years of purchase of super profit. If he given both in the question, properly use for the method. So average profit को purchase of average profit use करो. Super profit method को you have to use the super profit, purchase of super profit. वैसा क्वेश्चन रहता है क्या सर? Maybe I don't know. रहा तो कैसा करना? Why? Because this is very important to remember the formula. That's why I'm comparing the formula of average profit with the super profits. So here, super profit is equals to goodwill is equals to super profit. So what is the, अब ये तो he will give you in the question. This is available in the question. Don't worry about this. Now we have to think about how to calculate a super profit. So here super profit is equals to, देखो फार्मूला पूरा इंटरलिंक रहता बेटा है. पहले अपन एवरेज प्रॉफिट करे, राइट? So super profit is equals to average profit minus normal profit. average profit minus normal profit R, ORR. Return on capital employed. Return on capital employed. Return on capital employed. So basically, these words are very powerful. Return on capital and employed. सुनने में बहुत बेहतरीन दिखते हैं, बहुत professional दिखते हैं. But how to calculate? That is very, very important. So here, what is the formula for the super profit? What is the formula for super profit? Can you pronounce, Sheikh Abdullah? What is the formula for the super profit? Abdullah.
Average profit.
Average profit. Average profit minus normal profit. R ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं अपन फार्मूला. R कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. Average profit minus
Normal profit.
return on capital employed. Return on capital employed. तो यहाँ पे फार्मूला में होने, यहाँ पे R दिया, इसको अपन एज ए सेकंड फार्मूला लिख ले सकते हैं. So what is the first formula for the super profit? Average profit minus normal profit. That depends upon the question. उन्हें क्वेश्चन में क्या इंफॉर्मेशन दिया उसके हिसाब से you have to use the formula. If we given the normal profit, then use first formula. Average profit minus normal profit. If we not given the normal profit, then calculate the return on the capital employed. So he has to give the capital employed. दो में से कौन सा तो मैं देता हूं. So there are two formulas. So here we know how to calculate the average profit, right? So average profit is equals to total profits of given years divided by number of years. Then we don't know how to calculate this normal profit. Yes, we know this average profit. We don't know how to calculate the normal profit. So we have to learn the formula for normal profit. So normal profit, normal rate of profit is equals to capital employed. क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं? Capital
Employed.
multiplied by normal rate of return. Normal rate of return divided by normal rate of return divided by 100. The normal rate of return or normal rate of profit divided by 100. Divided by 100. So this is very, very important. The formula is easy. So what we are discussing? We are discussing the valuation of the goodwill by using super profit method. By using super profit method. So super profit, first you need to find out the super profit. The super profit is equals to average profit minus the normal profit. The normal profit is equals to capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. Normal profit is equals to capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return divided by 100. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we are trying to solve one problem. That is page number. Okay, that is page number 181. Page number 181. Illustration number 10. Illustration number 10. So here he is given in the question the normal of rate of return. So what is given? He given the normal. So he is given normal rate of return on capital employed. Normal rate of return on capital employed. उसको ब्रैकेट में बोलते हैं कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड, कुछ क्या बोलते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट बोलते हैं. ओके, कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड कुछ क्या बुलाते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट बोले तो भी, कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड बोले तो भी सेम. इन द इंडस्ट्री इज कितना दिया है 10%. सो नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज 10%. नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न ऑन कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड, दैट मींस नॉर्मल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न ऑन द इन्वेस्टमेंट मेड. तो कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है इन्हें, कितना इन्वेस्ट करा कि उसके ऊपर 10% प्रॉफिट इन्हें, सॉरी 20%
20%
is expecting. Normal rate of return is 20%. The investment or the capital employed in the firm is 2 lakhs. So what is the value of the investment? Investment or capital employed. कितना बोल रहा हूं उन्हें, कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड कहाँ मिलता सर, बैलेंस शीट में असेट साइड मिलता, लायबिलिटी साइड मिलता, बोले तो बेसिक है 2 lakhs. And actual average of the profit, so he is directly, this is very very important, so he is given actual average profit, उन्हें दे दिया डायरेक्ट, actual average profit is equals to, he given 60,000, he given 60,000. The goodwill of the firm is valued for, the goodwill where the number of years of purchase होना ना, number of years of purchase of super profit, number of years of purchase of super profit is 4 years is given. तो अपने को तो इन्हें क्या पूछा यहाँ पे, calculate the value of goodwill, calculate the value of the goodwill. So here in the super profit method, what is the formula for calculating the goodwill? So goodwill is equals to super profit multiplied by number of years of super profit. तो इसमें से अपने को एक चीज मिल गई, कैसी चीज मिल गई अपने को, नंबर ऑफ इयर्स ऑफ प्रॉफिट 4, यहाँ पे दिया है नहीं 4 इयर्स. अपने को क्या नहीं मिला, अपने को नहीं मिला सुपर प्रॉफिट. तो अब देखेंगे सुपर प्रॉफिट कैसे कैलकुलेट करना. ओके, सुपर प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट मेथड देखो कैसा मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, मैं कंफ्यूज नहीं हो रहा हूँ. पहले गुडविल का फार्मूला लिख लिया, उसके बाद में मेरे को क्या होना है, सुपर प्रॉफिट होना है. सुपर प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू, फार्मूला क्या है, एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. तो इसमें क्या करा है इन्हें, एवरेज प्रॉफिट दे दिया, यहाँ पे इन्हें दे दिया, क्या दे दिया, एवरेज प्रॉफिट दिया, बट नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट नहीं दिया. देखो फार्मूला में एक एक चीज दे रहा, एक एक चीज मिसिंग है. तो यहाँ पे 60,000 दे दिया उन्हें. So we don't know the normal profit. So obviously we need to calculate the normal profit. What is the formula for calculating the normal profit? Capital employed multiplied by normal rate divided by 100. So here the capital employed is given 200,000, normal rate is given 20 divided by 100. So what is the profit? A0 2 into 20,000. So here it is, profit is 40,000. So here we can substitute the normal profit here. So here we'll get the super profit is called as 40,000. So super profit is 40,000 multiplied by 4. Sorry, here
Sir, normal profit.
normal profit is 40. Your answer is 20. Okay. So here super profit is 20,000. 20,000 multiplied by number of years 4. So goodwill is 80,000. So first write down the formula for goodwill, then write down the formula for super profit, then write down the formula for normal profit and नीचे से जाओ. पहले आप लोग थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं, पहले नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट करो, उसके अंदर सुपर प्रॉफिट करो, नहीं, उसमें स्ट्रक्चर नहीं डिस्टर्ब करना ना, स्ट्रक्चर फिक्स रहना तो अपन कंफ्यूज नहीं होते एग्जाम में. ओके, goodwill is equals to super profit into number of years of purchase. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. लिख लो नोट्स. 10 मिनट में लिंक खत्म होती है और एक लिंक भेजता हूँ.
ठीक है सर.
Yes, Ejaz, any doubts? Mr. Fasi, any doubts? Mr. Fasi. Yes, Mr. Fasi, any doubts? क्लास ऑन करके सो गए क्या? हो गया अब्दुल्ला?
हाँ सर, हो गया.
Okay. The last method is capitalization of average profit. Okay. So इसमें थोड़ा मेरे को क्लैरिफिकेशन देना है. Okay. तो आपने कितने मेथड से? First one is average profit method, right? Second one is
Super profit.
So this is average profit method. This is super profit. Third one is
Capitalization.
capitalization of profit method. Capitalization of profit method. इसके अंदर फिर दो है बेटा. This is very important. इसके अंदर दो है. Average profit capitalization method. Average profit capitalization method. Second one is super profit capitalization method. Super profit capitalization method. Clear? So this is the
Yes, sir.
valuation of goodwill methods. Okay, valuation of goodwill methods, 3 methods. So now we'll discuss average profit first, then we'll discuss the super profits. Okay. So now what we are discussing, Abdullah? We are discussing
Capitalization of profit method. Average profit.
Average profit of
Capitalization.
Method. Average profit of capitalization method. Capitalization method. So इसमें क्या बोल रहा अपन देखिए. What is the formula he is taking? यहाँ पे वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग क्या है देखेंगे अपन. सो गुडविल इज इक्वल्स टू गुडविल इज इक्वल्स टू कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ बिजनेस. क्या बोल रहा है इन्हें? कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ बिजनेस. कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ बिजनेस माइनस कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड माइनस कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड आर. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड आर. सर कैपिटल नहीं मिलता तो नेट टैंजिबल असेट्स लो. नेट टैंजिबल असेट्स. नेट टैंजिबल असेट्स बोलते आफ्टर डिप्रिशिएशन, आफ्टर अक्यूमुलेटेड डिप्रिशिएशन. मतलब टैंजिबल मतलब फिक्स्ड असेट्स. तो फिक्स्ड असेट्स का जो डिप्रिशिएशन है दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू फाइंड आउट द गुडविल ऑफ द बिजनेस. Because we need net. Okay, so again I want to write the formula for goodwill in average profit. Okay, in the average profit method. So here what we are discussing the average profit of capitalization method. In this we are trying to learn the goodwill. So here goodwill is equals to, what is the formula? Goodwill is equals to
Capitalization value of business.
very good. Capitalization of value of business minus capital employed ORR net tangible assets. So if we rewrite the formula, formula A क्या है? Capitalization of value of business minus capital employed. Next one क्या है? Formula B, capitalization of value of business minus net tangible assets. Net tangible assets. So अपने इसमें क्या क्या नहीं मालूम है? ओके क्लियर. तो अपने को अब कैप मालूम है, इसमें अपने कुछ भी नहीं मालूम है. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड भी नहीं मालूम है, नेट टेंजिबल एसेट्स भी कैसा करना नहीं मालूम है. ओके, और कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ द बिजनेस भी कैसा करना अपने को नहीं मालूम है. तो इतना फार्मूला लिख लिया आप लोग. यस. तो अपने को अब क्या है? कैपिटलाइजेशन वैल्यू ऑफ बिजनेस होना. कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड उन्हें देता बाबा क्वेश्चन में, नेट टेंजिबल एसेट्स भी उन्हें देता. कैपिटलाइजेशन कैपिटल वैल्यू उन्हें देता. So the formula is for capitalization value of the business. Okay. कैपिटल दिख रहा है, लिख रहे सो नहीं, थोड़ा मोटा लिखूं.
हाँ दिख रहा.
Okay. Capital